Hey naturals, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine. For this hairstyle I used 3.5 packs of X Pression Ultra braids in color 2T1B/35. I bought this pack for $6 at Hera Beauty if you're in the Montreal area, or 2.5 packs. Yeah, 2.5 packs of this brand. As you can see, I did a bunch of single braids in the back. These come up to the front, but I like putting them back sometimes. So if you want to see how I achieved this amazing hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm really sorry guys because I didn't start filming this video until I was like at this point, but basically all I did in the back was some single braids. If you want to know how to do single braids, let me know and I will be glad to film a video showing you a tutorial on how to do it. Right now you're seeing me doing some cornrows on some more or less stretched hair, but I want to warn you, if you want to do this hairstyle and you have 4C hair, I would advise you to stretch your hair, like blow dry them as much as possible before you start doing this, because your hair is gonna tangle a little bit too much as you're gonna start doing your cornrows. So for the last cornrow, I'm doing it starting from the back, going towards the front to have Fulani braid style cornrows. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, so that's what I did on both sides, as you can see. And then I started boiling some hot water and I started dipping the hair into the water for about 15 seconds and then I just took it out. And it's really important for you guys to be careful so that you don't burn yourself just like I did right now. So please be careful. So basically I only spent about $18 for all 3 packs that I used, and it was able to do my whole head, so that's a great thing. I did about 1 inch of cornrows in the front of my hair just because I felt lazy and I didn't feel like, you know, going all the way and braiding my hair properly. But I'm telling you, originally I had plans to do something else, but anyway, I think that it still turned out great. And I added a few jewelry. Those are the cuffs, and then on this one I added like a hair ring. That's pretty cute. For $1.99 the pack. And I also added these that are so cute also. I don't know if you can see, but they're very sparkly. So it's like an elastic band that I tied onto the braid. So I'm really satisfied with this hairstyle, but other than that, like, this is really thick, but when it comes to the ends, they're very thin. So if you want something that's gonna be full from the roots to the ends, I don't think that these are the right hair for you. The hair is bleached at the bottom, and it goes from dark brown to this fiery red, which is actually kind of like my hair color at the tips. So I guess that's why it blends so well with my hair. I think that this hairstyle is great, especially for the summer. And the reason why I did this hairstyle also is because I ride a lot on my motorcycle and I needed something that would fit under my helmet. For the next few weeks, I'll be rocking this hairstyle, and I'll show you guys also like how you can maintain this hairstyle so that you don't have to redo anything for the next weeks. Yeah, so if you guys have any feedback, let me know, and it'll be my pleasure to answer you guys. So hopefully this video was helpful, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.